Hello friends, so this video is regarding Ansible Automation Platform 2.6 installation, and I am going to refer this Reddit documentation for the same. Okay, so we need the Reddit subscription which you can get using developer account, and there are some system requirements. Let me show you. So it should be RHL9 and above operating system, and the system requirement is RAM 16 GB, CPU is 4, and disk space around 80 to 100 GB. Okay, so let me create that instance first. So I don't have any instance running. Let me launch this instance, and I'm giving it to app 26, and I will select thread at 9. So I need to change this as well. So RHL9, this one. Okay. And then I need to change this configuration as well. So I'm going to choose T3X large, which have 4 CPU and 16 GB memory, and I will select the existing keys, and I will allow this HTTP and HTTPS, and edit this to enable that public IP. Call done. Okay, and let's make it to 100 GB. Okay, and then click on launch instance. Okay, so instance is running, and this is public IP. Let me connect to the system. Okay, CTUs. So first, let me create one user, admin, and set password. Done. Then I need to give sudo access. So admin okay, now I need to give permission. This one. Then I need to add subscription. So username, I need to provide username and XYZ, and then minus password. Okay, so just let me enter my developer account subscription. So I'm adding it. It will take some time. Just okay, it's done. So let clear the screen. Now I can refresh it. Okay. Now I need to set FQDM, local FQDM. So for that I can use hostnamectl. Just keeping this app26.2rg. Okay, I can verify also. Good. Also need to update etc host file. So let me get this private IP of this 26.rg. Done. Okay, this also done. Now I need to install Ansible core, that is base package for Ansible. All these steps are actually given in this Reddit documentation, and I'm going to use this containerized installation because I tried few times uh, RPM based installation, but I could not able to do that. I think 2.6 is not supporting that. Let me install some additional also. Okay, and now I need to also set up SSH passwordless login because Ansible use that. Even for installation also we need that. And since this 2.6 installation is non-root user, so I'm going to use admin user. So first let me update this SSH configuration. This is config. At the end, need to change this to yes. Also, I will keep permit root login, which is default disabled. Okay, and there are one more configuration: sht config.d cloud yes. Yeah, here also I need to change it to yes, and then we'll restart SSD. Perfect. Now let me Did I change that password? Let me set some password for both accounts. Oh, I already generated that SSS keys. So now I need to enable SSH authentication for the same system. Done. So I need to download that bundle for installation. So you can see that all the steps is given here. Install Ansible core and all those things. So granting sudo access. And now I need to copy this bundle. So I guess I have some. Okay, so I was referring this documentation where you can see that all the steps are given here, like setting that FQDN and enabling that subscription and granting the sudo access, and then I need to download that bundle for installation. So I guess I have okay, yeah. So I'm going to use RHL 2.6 RHL line. Okay. So container setup. So I am going to download this one. I think I've already downloaded this. Okay, so let me copy that. I'm using WinSCP to copy that file. So just give me some 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, so you can see that I think it's available now. So now I need to turn this. And these are the files. Okay, so in the same documentation, it's mentioned that if we want to install in single machine all the Ansible automation platform components, then better we should use this file, inventory growth file. Okay. So in the same sample inventory is given in that same documentation. Let me find that. This is variable. Inventory file. Let me search. Yeah, all in one, this one. Okay. So let me copy this and let me move this in my existing inventory. Okay, so this is the sample one given in the documentation. Okay, so I will replace. So I pasted this in inventory file and okay. So now I moved this original inventory and this is the sample one provided by Red Hat where we can install all the components in single machine. So they have used everywhere this one as a sample, so let me replace wherever it's needed. I gave this one right, app26.org. So it's okay. Now I also change that password. Need to change that password entries wherever it's mentioned. Set your own. Let me put secret 1 2 3. Okay. And there are one more entry where you need to provide this one, register username and password. There are procedures given in that document as well. So let me update this one, then we'll start installation. Okay, so I've updated that registry entry, and I think we are good to go ahead with installation. Okay, so we need to run this command. Anything, I think we are good to. Okay, so this is the command we need to run. Minus I inventory, since inventory file is inventory only, so it's okay. And yeah, let's start it. So it may take 20 to 30 minutes also, depends. We don't face any issue. So for subscription, you can create one developer account, and using that you need to get registry name, username, and password. And later you need manifest file where I mean, you will get 60 days to try it for Ansible automation platform. So main times, let me show where it's mentioned. Okay, inventory. Yeah, you can get subscription, automated subscription. Yeah, this you need to do basically. This is my account where you can see that I got this 60 days product trial for Reddit and Solo automation platform. Right, so you need to get this subscription. and here you can get that manifest file. So meantime I'm downloading this manifest file. Tab. And also you can download, and so there is an option, so it's get downloaded. Let's see what is the installation. Okay, it's going. It will take some time. It's downloading all the required images. Hello. Yes.
Yeah, good evening, sir. वैभव भी बात कर रही हूँ मैं खाद्य
Regarding what?
खाद्य में है ना सर सचिन का कुछ प्रीमियम टावर लॉन्च हो रहा था सेक्रेट हाई
नहीं, मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ, थैंक यू. Okay, so meantime, I'm just sharing this specific information about this registry username and registry password creation, which needed to update in that inventory file. Okay, so this is the link provided and all the steps provided how to create that, and you will get a similar kind of username, and there will be password also, registry password which you need to pass. Okay, so let's see if it's still running. Okay, so installation is still going on. Don't think it will take much time. It should complete now. Okay, so let me note down this instance public IP which I'm using as of now. This is the public IP. Should be running 443 and HTTPS. Oh, yeah, I think it's ready now. Controller hub is accessible. Sorry, controller is accessible. There are some other container is getting initialized. Soon it will be ready. So I think it's about to complete. Great, so you can see that now this installation is completed. Okay, so let's see if we able to access that. So this is our public IP of this instance, and let me log in into it. 43 https. Good. Then I can log in with admin. This is default user, by the way. Great. So now you can see it's asking to update this manifest. So I've already downloaded that, and let me open that. Okay. Great. So you can see that this installation is completed. Now you can see all these components are available. Okay. So I will create another video for this organization and project creation and playbook execution. Thank you, friend. Bye.